Hello everybody. Now that we know how to save values as variables, we can perform operations on those variables. We have mathematical operations, which no doubt all of you have seen most of these before. You can add, subtract, multiply, divide, and use exponents. The two you may have not seen are modulo and floor divide. Modulo finds the remainder of a division, so 5 mod 2 is 1, because if you divide 5 by 2, it's 2 with a remainder of 1. Modulo only cares about the remainder. Floor divide is like the opposite of modulo. So for 5 floor divide 2, it's 2, because if you divide 5 by 2, it's 2 with a remainder of 1, and floor divide doesn't care about the remainder. Here's what each of these examples returns when we run this cell. In this cell, you can see we're able to save the output of these operations to variables and perform operations on them. Next, we have logical and relational operators. We have relational operators, less than, greater than, equal to, and so on. These return a Boolean value, which is either true or false. And we have logical operators. These are used to compare two Boolean expressions. And is always false unless both sides are true, or is always true unless both sides are false, and not just flips the output. Not true is false, not false is true.